Hello to everyone, especially to the students who enrolled in College of Engineering, BS Maths, BS Physics, BS Chemistry, BS Stat, and BS Education major maths. And to those students that your courses were not mentioned in my vlog, as long as you enroll this subject, which is Integral Calculus for this semester, I would like you to invite to study with me today. My topic is all about area by integration. This kind of area, this is area between two curves. So when we say area between two curves, so we'll just use the formula of area, or A is equals to integral from A to B. Then I have now circle brackets y1 minus y2 dx. Okay? So on the board, I have a problem. Find the area of the region bounded by the curve y equals x squared plus 1. Actually, this is a parabola. And this is a line, right? Y equals 3x plus 1. So first thing to do is I need to find the points of intersection because we don't have limits in here. So assume that this will be y1 will be equal to y2. So assuming that y1 will be x squared, then plus 1 is equals to y2, this line. So 3x plus 1. Okay? So I will place 3x plus 1 to the left. So this will be x squared plus 1. Then transpose 3x to the left, that will be minus 3x. Then transpose 1 to the left, that will be minus 1. Then this will be equate to 0. So I have now x squared followed by minus 3x. 1 will be crossed out, so this will be equal to 0. Then factor out, common is x. Then circle brackets x minus 3 is equals to 0. So I have now x equals 0. Then I have now x minus 3 is equals to 0. Then x equals 3. So x equals 0. Just transpose negative 3 to the right. So 0 plus 3, that will be positive 3. Okay? So this will be the limits. Lower limit and then upper limit. Okay? The next step that I will make is I will tabulate the x and y values for this curve. So I have now y is equals to x squared plus 1. So tabulate x and y. Okay, so we just limit our points. So let's start with 0. So when x is equals to 0, from the equation of a curve, y equals 0 squared, then plus 1. So this will be equal to 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. So I have now 0, and the first point of a curve is point 1 will be 0 and 1. Then next will be 1. When x is equals to 1, so y equals 1 squared plus 1. So this will be 1 plus 1, so y equals 2. So this will be, point 2 will be at 1 and 2. Then how about 2? When x equals 2, so y equals, circle brackets 2 squared plus 1. So this will be 4 plus 1. So y equals 5. Then the last will be 3. So when x equals 3, so y is equals to 3 squared plus 1. So this will be 9 plus 1, y equals 10. So this will be 10. Then how about y equals 3x? This is a line. So tabulate x and y. So the same, we will start with 0. So this will be when x equals 0, y equals 3 times 0 plus 1. So this will be 0 plus 1, so y equals 1. So I have now point 1 for line is at 0 and 1. Next will be 1. When x is equal to 1, then I have now y equals 3 times 1 plus 1. So this will be 3 plus 1, so this will be 4. So I have now point 2 for a line, that will be 1 and 4. Next will be 2. When x is equal to 2, y equals 3 times 2 plus 1. So this will be 6 plus 1. Then I have now 7. So point 3 at a line, that will be 2 and 7. And the last will be when x equals 3. So when x is equals to 3, y equals 3 times 3 plus 1. So 3 times 3, that will be 9 plus 1. So y equals 10. Okay, so y equals 10. Okay, so the next step will be, I will plot the points for curve and then line. Then I will solve using area equals integral from 0 to 3, then y1 minus y2 dx. Okay? So I need to erase this one. Then I will now plot the points in the Cartesian coordinates. So this will be y-axis. Then this will be x-axis. So 10, right? So this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This will be 10. Then for x is 1, 2, 3, 4. So for curve first, so 0 and 1. So x is 0, then y is 1. Then point 2 for the curve is 1 and 2. In here, 1 and 2. Then 2 and 5. 2 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 and 5. Then 3 and 10. So this will be 3 and 10 in here. Okay. Then 0 and 1 is in here. Then 1 and 4. 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Next is 2, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 7. 2, 7, then 3, 10. So this is line. In here. So meaning this one. Then this is the x equals 0. Then I have now 3. So it will be 3. X equals to 3. So this is area. Okay, solving for area. So area is equals to integral from 0 to 3. Then circle brackets y1 minus y2. Then this will be dx. So integral from 0 to 3. Which one is y1? y1 is a line, right? This line will be y1. y1 is circle brackets 3x plus 1, then minus circle brackets x squared plus 1. Then this will be closed with square brackets, then this will be dx. Then simplify inside the brackets, square brackets. So this will be integral from 0 to 3. Then I have circular brackets 3x plus 1. Then this will be minus x squared. Then minus 1. Then this will be dx. Okay? So this will be equal to integral from 0 to 3. Then I will start writing negative x squared. So I'll just write circle brackets. Then followed by plus 3x. Then 1 will be crossed out. So this will be dx. Then integrating inside the circle brackets, this will be equal to x cubed negative over 3. Then plus 3x squared over 2. Then limits from 0 to 3. So take note, I will apply f of b minus f of a. So note that fb will be upper limit, then this one will be lower limit. So I will start upper limit. So this will be negative. I will write square brackets. Then this will be, square brackets. Circle brackets 3. Then this will be cube over 3. Then plus 3 times 3 squared over 2. Then this will be minus. This will be negative 0 cube over 3. Then this will be plus 3 times 0 squared over 2. Then I will write this one, open brace and close brace. Okay? So I will move at the left side because I don't have space anymore. So I will rewrite. So this will be negative, this is 27 over 3. 27 over 3. Then this will be plus 3 times, okay, I will just use this one, brackets, 3 times 9, then this will be over 2, then minus, this will be 0 plus 0. So this will be equal to negative 9. Then plus 27 over 2. Actually, this will be minus 0. So this is now negative 9 plus 27 over 2. So LCD will be 2. Then divide times negative 9, negative 18. Plus 27, because 2 divided by 2, that is 1. Times 27, that will be 27. So this will be equal to 27 minus 18. So this will be 1. Then this will be 17. 9. So this will be positive 9 over 2. Then this will be square units. So therefore, the area of that region will be 9 over 2 square units. So this is 9 over 2 square units. Okay? So I think that's all. A friendly reminder, if you have questions regarding this matter, just leave your comment or comments in the comment section. Then, if you agree with me, please like and share, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Franz Maths TV. Thanks for watching.